Hi, this is Naba Barkakati. Today I want to talk to you about cloud security from a user's perspective. In the previous videos I have talked about cloud computing from a user's perspective, and I thought it will be a good idea to at least articulate what does a user consider when they think about cloud security. Well, as more and more of us begin to use cloud to store information, process information, share information, using devices from laptops to touchpads to smartphones, well, cloud security definitely is one of the topmost concerns on most people's mind, even though they might not be talking about it all the time. Now, for a user, whether it's an individual or an organization, security of the information basically implies that it's available when you need it, well, and it's not disclosed to anybody that you don't want to be disclosed to, and it's not changed by anyone when you don't want them to change unless you have authorized them to change. Now, for cloud security, the cloud provider carries a big burden for securing the cloud, securing the information. But there is a part for you as well. As a user, you are the person or an organization logging into the cloud to begin the process of you're the authorized user. So you do have a responsibility of protecting the login information, making the login process secure, not disclosing the password, not picking a simple password, and so on and so forth. And most importantly, if the cloud provider is giving you other security features, such as, for instance, the two-step verification that Google does, then it's up to you to adopt those and turn it on and make your login process even more secure. Now, as a user, when you use the cloud, you know that many other users are on the same cloud service. And so you do expect from cloud security that the cloud provider is going to be building good walls between you and your neighbors, so that whether inadvertently or maliciously, the information isn't somehow disclosed or shared with neighbors, your other people who are also using the cloud, other users on the cloud. And also, of course, you want to make sure anyone outside the cloud also is not able to get in and exploit some vulnerabilities of the cloud to use the information. So in a nutshell, the cloud security definitely is a shared responsibility between the provider and the user, with the user, of course, making sure that they use the most secure way of logging in. And the provider has to make sure that they use the latest technology, the best practices, security practices, hire the best people possible to make sure that the information remains secure and from any neighbors or as well as outsiders. I think in a nutshell, that's what I would expect from cloud security as a user. Thank you.